Kids World. Hi friends. Today I am prepared speech on Save Earth. We live on our Earth planet. We get air, water, food, shelter and everything from Mother Earth. But as you all know, our Earth is facing global warming. We should save our Earth and Earth resources. But so, how can we do this? By reducing water and electricity consumption. We can use public transport to reduce air pollution. Also, recycling waste products will help in reducing pollution. We can all stop using plastic bags and carry reusable bags with us. Importantly, we must plant trees to make our earth green and cool. So, we can save Mother Earth with three magic words: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Save Earth, save life, save the world. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.